Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning market webcast. Okay, so the bears continue to push this market to the downside. You see yesterday's candle. It didn't start a band ride. It tried to find some support at the 200, but it made a lower high versus the prior day low. They had some help in Globex last night with this Mexico tariff news. They knocked it down to a lower low. They engaged the lower band again. Now, this is not a band ride because we don't have consecutive days, but you definitely have, some fuel to the downside here. On the hourly chart, you can see this lower high. This is the news break. They come up and they try to take it back up. It's just kind of a little bit of a bear flag that broke down. So what you can see now is they took it back up again, traded as high as 62. Off the open, if they try to get a rally going today, this 76 area is going to be a big deal for me. What the bears need to do is pretty simple. They just need to keep progressing to the downside. That at a minimum, they need to defend the hourly mid-band, so right around 71. If they can hold price down there all day, then it sets them up pretty well heading into next week. It's Friday. It's the end of the month. That can go either way. I think, look, I wouldn't be the least bit surprised if we had some kind of a significant rally today. And, once the covering starts, that can gain some fuel. So I'm going to be very cautious heading into the open. VWAP's at 65. 58 to 60 is a key area. I've got everybody short right now against 60. We were short last night off the news. We got short against 88, got in 84, 85. Took some profit last night, covered this morning, let it bounce a bit, and now we're going to see if this continues to just be the sell rallies environment that it's trying to be. So that was about an 18 handle trade for us. So on the back end of a big week and another really nice month, if we get into a situation today where we're chopping around, I'm not going to do much. We don't need to do much. We're not chasing performance on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis around here. So let's see what the market gives us. 58 to 60 off the open looks like it wants to be important. You got the lows down there, 53.75, VWAP at 65, and if the bulls want to take control, truly take control, they have to get over the top of the news break, which is at 90.5. That's going to take some serious doing. All right. Take care, everybody. Trade them well. Have a great weekend. Come check us out. Come take a trial. You're going to like what you see. Talk to you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.